Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best N64 cartridge is probably one of the most iconic gaming accessories ever created, a true symbol of the 90s. These cartridges hold a special place in the hearts of many gamers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of N64 cartridges, exploring their history, design, and what makes them so special. Get ready to relive some classic gaming memories as we explore the best N64 cartridges. Number 5. N64 SNES NGC SFC to HDMI converter. Tired of old consoles on new TVs? This adapter is the solution. It transforms analog signals into digital HDMI, ensuring compatibility. No extra power needed, just plug it in and it works. It's designed for easy setup, so you can start playing right away. This converter supports both 16:9 and 4:3 aspect ratios. You can choose the display mode that suits your preference. It works with N64, Super NES, GameCube, and SFC consoles. This adapter brings your classic games to modern displays. If you see a blue screen, check your connections. If there's no sound, try reconnecting the device. This adapter is designed for a seamless experience. What we like. This converter is incredibly easy to use, just plug and play. It also offers both 16:9 and 4:3 aspect ratio options, giving you flexibility. If you're looking to easily connect your N64 to modern displays without any hassle, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The game cartridge arrived in excellent condition. The game works perfectly. The label is in great shape. Number 4. CR2032 3V Replacement Battery 12-pack. This is a replacement battery for your NES, SNES, and N64 game cartridges. It ensures your game saves are protected. This pack includes 12 batteries. With a 230 mAh capacity, this battery offers durable and reliable performance. It has the highest capacity available for this type of battery, ensuring long-lasting use. The battery comes with pre-soldered pins, making it ideal for your Nintendo cartridge save batteries. It's designed specifically for N64, NES, and Super Nintendo game cartridges. This battery has a 10-year leak-free shelf life. You can store it for a long time without worrying about damage or leakage. It's ready when you need it. The package includes 3.8mm and 4.5mm security bits. These bits are essential for opening your game cartridges. They make the replacement process easier. This battery is made with zero mercury and cadmium. It's an earth-friendly choice, providing a safe and environmentally conscious solution for your gaming needs. What we like. With its high capacity, this battery ensures your game saves are protected for longer. The soldered pins make installation a breeze, and the long shelf life means it will be ready when you need it. If you're a retro gamer who wants to keep their saves safe and sound, you should consider this. What people say. They work well. Perfect fix for your old NES and SNES games that use batteries to save your games. Exactly what was needed, fit very well, easy to install. Number 3. Skywin N64 Game Holder, organize your N64 games. Are you tired of your N64 games scattered everywhere? This holder is the perfect solution. It keeps everything neat and tidy. Designed specifically for N64 cartridges, it provides a snug and secure fit. This ensures your games are protected and easy to access. With dividers for each cartridge, this holder can store up to 10 games. It makes organizing your collection simple and efficient. Made with sturdy injection molded construction, this holder is built to last. It's a reliable way to store and display your games. The design is simple yet stylish, perfect for displaying on shelves. It's a great way to show off your game collection. If you're an N64 game collector, this is a must-have. It's a nice addition to any game shelf, keeping your games organized and accessible. What we like. This holder is designed to perfectly fit your N64 cartridges, keeping them organized and easy to find. Its stylish design makes it a great addition to any game shelf. If you like to show off your game collection in a neat and organized way, this is a must-have. What people say. The cartridge worked perfectly. The game was in great condition. The label was in great shape. Number 2. CHILDMORY 20 PCS Game Cartridge Security Screws. These are security screws from CHILDMORY. They are designed for game cartridges. This product is a great choice. This product is compatible with NES, SNES, N64, and Gameboy cartridges. It is a versatile solution for your gaming needs. You can use it to replace the screws. The screws feature a 3.8mm Gamebit security head. This design provides a secure fit. It helps to keep your cartridges safe. This product is ideal for replacing lost or damaged screws. It is a convenient way to restore your cartridges. It is a must-have for gamers. Each pack includes 20 screws. This provides plenty of replacements. You will have enough to fix multiple cartridges. Please note that a 3.8mm Gamebit screwdriver is required for use. This tool is not included in the package. Make sure you have one before you start. This is a genuine CHILDMORY product. You can trust the quality and reliability of this product. It is a great choice for your gaming needs. What we like. These screws are specifically designed to fit your game cartridges, making replacements easy. With 20 screws included, you'll have plenty to cover your needs. If you have lost screws or need to replace damaged ones, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit and perfect replacements. I am a very serious nostalgic collector, and even though these are made out of metal, are honestly the best. Probably closest thing you're going to get to when it comes to these type of screws being they get their Nintendo security bits. Number 1. Replacement screws for NES, SNES, N64 Gameboy. Are your game cartridges missing screws? Don't worry, this product is here to help. It's a perfect replacement for lost or damaged screws. This product is compatible with NES, SNES, N64, and Game Boy consoles. It's designed to fit perfectly, ensuring your games are secure. The package includes 5 by 3.8mm screws and 5 by 4.5mm screws. You'll have everything you need to get your games back in shape. Before you buy, please check the picture, type, model, and color to make sure it's what you need. This ensures it's the right fit for your console. This product is brand new and of high quality. You can trust it to provide a reliable solution for your gaming needs. Enjoy your shopping. What we like. This pack includes screws in multiple sizes, ensuring compatibility with various cartridges. Replacing lost or damaged screws is simple. If you need a reliable and versatile screw replacement kit, you should consider this. What people say. The game cartridge arrived in great condition. The game works perfectly. The label is in great shape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.